What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can remove music from your Instagram post after posting. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do first is go to your Instagram. After going to your Instagram, you have to go to your profile. After going to your profile, you have to click on the post or find the post that you want to remove the music from. I'm going to this post. So here you can see there is already a music added on this post. So I want to remove this music from my post. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every step I'm going to show you so that you can remove the music from your photo. So what you have to do next is click on this three dot bar icon. Then you have to find out this edit option like here. After clicking on edit, you have to click, see that you can not remove the music from here. There is no such option for the music removal or deletion of music in Instagram. So what we can do, you have to go back to the post again. You have to click on this three dot bar icon again, and then you have to click on delete. After that, you have to click on delete again. After delete the photo, you have to repost or post again your photo so that without the music, so that you can remove the music from your photo. Guys, this is the only way that you can remove the music from your photo. Unfortunately, your Instagram doesn't have this feature for that you can remove the music from your photo after the posting. So this is the only way. I hope you like this video and find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.